morning, hikers. It's day 2 of our Havasupai adventure. We have just buttoned up our camp for the day and we are going to head to the Confluence today. It is a 16.5-mile hike round trip. It's pretty early in the morning. We want to get some miles under our feet before it starts getting too hot, but I'm really excited. This hike goes past Mooney Falls, Beaver Falls, through a long canyon, and then it ends up joining where the Havasupai Creek and the Colorado River meet. So you get the blue water and the brown water meeting together at one place. So let's go check it out. Here we are at Mooney Falls. It is 8:10 for our time check. So we are gonna head down the falls and start hiking in the canyon. This is supposed to be the most fun part. There's ladders and chains and a tunnel to go through. So this is gonna be a little chutes and ladders part. The Mooney Falls chains and ladders hold. I did a little bit of videoing of Andy, but not a ton because I wanted to concentrate on holding on to the chains myself. It's very wet, slippery, kind of some really sketchy handholds to find, and so I would suggest having gloves. We love these Carhartt ones with the little grippers on it because they really grip the chains. We use these for the half-dome cables as well. But now we're walking along the river. Beautiful blue water, heading to Beaver Falls. There's a Buddha up in that hole there, and that is the spot where we're going to be doing the first crossing. So we're crossing from here over to there to head down. Got our water shoes on and we're prepared to be wet for the rest of the day now. This is about the halfway point to the Confluence, and it's just gorgeous here. This whole hike so far has been incredible. We got beautiful soaring red canyon walls, blue water. Travertine pools just never ends. It's so gorgeous. Wow. Loving this hike. I love the chutes and ladders and the complexity of it. I love the trail finding. I love the views. It's awesome. We are at 11:30 and we have about 1.9 miles left till we get to the Confluence. Right now we've been just crossing back and forth over the river, kind of down at the bottom of the canyon floor here. This part is not as incredible, but still really pretty. And the trail here is very primitive. You'll have to do a lot of trail finding and I would suggest you wear pants because there's a lot of bush and sticks sticking into the trail that'll scratch your legs. So be prepared for that. But this is our view. There's where the Havasupai Creek meets the Colorado River. Got a whole bunch of rafting crews here that are going down the Colorado. And this incredible canyon, Grand Canyon. Well, we are heading back from the Confluence now. It's about 2 o'clock, I think, and canyon is in shade now, so that's nice. Keeps it a lot cooler so we don't get sunburned. Still got a beautiful view, but definitely fatigued at this point, so we're going a little bit slower and enjoying the view because we're going slower. 3 o'clock. We're still banging it out through the thorn brush. That's the one thing about this hike, man. Look at all this. Everywhere you go, you're getting scratched by the bushes. That's why I got long sleeves and long pants on. And there's a lot of kind of crouch hiking, so it's extra hard on your legs. So you're going almost 17 miles, but then you have to kind of walk, like squat walk. But it's 3 o'clock. We got 5 miles to go. So we're targeting being back at 5:30, 6 o'clock. Okay, we have passed from Grand Canyon back into Havasupai lands, back to the beautiful blue waterfall spot. We just had a huge vertical in the sun, so I'm super hot. We're back where it all started at Mooney Falls, exhausted, but we're not done yet. We still gotta go up the ladders, the last part. It does. We back at camp after 17 miles of hiking to the Confluence. It was an epic hike, a little bit too long for a day hike for us. 13 miles is it's kind of like our happy spot. Anything over that we can do it, but then we pay for it later.
And this was 17.
Yeah, and there was a lot of vertical, but we're back at camp, got our feet up. We're gonna have some camp meals. I would suggest if anyone comes back here, just go to Beaver Falls. That's the most beautiful point. Like from Mooney Falls to Beaver Falls, it's incredible, and then after that it's kind of boring, and then the Confluence is cool, but there's a lot of boring to get to that cool part at the end, so skip the boring part. What's your opinion, Andy? You're the star of all my movies.
Go big or go home. Go to the Confluence.
Yay!